Critical thinking and problem solving are the ability to objectively evaluate a situation with logical reason to develop effective solutions. Having these skills equips you to handle pressure, improves outcomes in your projects, and positions you as a potential leader. Employers value critical thinking and problem solving because these lead to innovation and help achieve company goals. Demonstration interviews present candidates with real tasks or challenges. Employers use them to observe how well candidates can break down problems and identify solutions. During a demonstration, you should define the problem, explore what's known, attempt likely solutions, and then evaluate those solutions. As you go through each of those steps, clearly explain your thought process to the employer. Let's look at an example where a candidate is asked to troubleshoot a lathe.
Hey, this lathe is experiencing some problems. We want you to troubleshoot the problem and take your time, make sure you explain your processes as you go.
Okay. Well, let's see if it's doing anything wrong like you say. That does look bad. Maybe it's a dull tool. Could be something else, but I'm not really sure. We'll try something that's a little sharper. That's not really any better, and it looks like it dulled my tool again. Maybe it's something else, but I'm not really sure.
While the employer would have liked to see a solution, the real issue with this demonstration is the candidate's approach. While troubleshooting, he vaguely defined the problem, didn't explain what was known, only attempted one solution, and then did not thoroughly evaluate that solution. Based on this performance, the employer would determine the candidate does not have good critical thinking or problem-solving skills. Let's look at an example where the candidate goes through each step thoroughly and explains his process throughout.
This lathe is experiencing some problems. We'd like you to troubleshoot that, take your time, and explain your processes as you go.
All right, sounds good. Let's see what it's doing. I'm first going to take a cut to see what it all looks like. Yeah, you're right. We got a rough surface finish. A couple things that could contribute to that. It does look like we have a really dull tool. Let me swap that out, and we'll see what other kind of issues we have. Looks like the tool's also not quite in the right position. So I have my newer, sharper tool here. It's in good condition. I'm going to adjust it to the right position. All right, let's see what we get this time. That's a much better surface finish. So what I did is I swapped it for a sharper tool that's in better shape, corrected the orientation of the tool. That seemed to work this time.
In this version, the candidate successfully troubleshot the lathe. But even if a solution had not been reached, his performance would still have demonstrated his critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The candidate clearly defined the problem, a rough surface finish, explored what was known, sharpness and position of the tool, attempted multiple solutions, and thoroughly evaluated those solutions. The interview is also a good place to demonstrate critical thinking and problem-solving. You might be asked, describe a situation where you had to solve a complex problem. How did you approach the problem? What was the outcome? When responding to a prompt like this, answer all parts of the question and use STAR. Thoroughly explain the details of your process and thinking, and then highlight the solution or outcome.